are going to be using just one banana, and this banana is a ripe one. When you peel it, please do not throw away your banana peel. Use this to make banana peel tea. The recipe is down on my page, and I would also leave the link down in the description box. Please do check it out and know that you are not throwing your banana peel anymore. So we're going to be using one banana because banana reduces muscle cramps, which will relax your muscle and reduce all the ninth time cramps. Because of the high level of the magnesium and potassium in bananas, this would help to reduce your stress, anxiety, insomnia, restless leg syndromes, blood pressure, which would in the end make you sleep better. The second thing we are going to be using is kiwi. Kiwis are very, very rich in serotonin, and they are very high in antioxidants, which also aids a very good quality sleep. You don't want to joke with kiwis. I love kiwis, and they make me fall asleep faster and stay asleep deeper. So you want to add kiwi to this lovely plate of fruits. And the next thing we're going to be introducing is avocado. Everyone loves avocado, and so do I, because avocado has a very good high amount of unsaturated fat, which can increase your serotonin levels, which is the chemical that stimulates the part of your brain that induces sleep. So having these three fruits combined together 1 hour to 2 hours before bedtime would definitely help you fall asleep faster and stay asleep deeper and longer. You want to snack at night before bedtime? This is the best fruit combination that would help you fall asleep. You don't just eat any fruit at any given time. You have to know your fruits and what they can do to your body, so you can know the right combination of fruits to eat. Eating fruit like orange would keep you awake at night because of the sugar in it, but eating this combination, banana, kiwi and avocado, would definitely help you fall asleep deeper. So this is me having my night snack, and you don't want to make it too much. You want to have a reasonable amount so you don't end up putting on weight. So open your mouth and let me share the fun with you. I hope you have enjoyed my video, and like you already know, or if you're new to this channel, you're welcome. I love to drink water as I eat along. That way it will keep me full quickly and longer, and I'll end up eating less. So thank you for staying with me, and please subscribe if you haven't. I would see you in my next one. Thank you and bye.